All right, this is going to be a short video about how to make a video talking to your MacBook and using your screen. So you can see my screen is showing up during this video. There's a couple different options for making videos using QuickTime, so I will show you those. First, if you need to find QuickTime, you can go up here to the Finder, the Spotlight search, and click in QuickTime Player, and then you should be able to open it. When you're in QuickTime, if you want to do what I'm doing right now, which is talking, there's no view of you, just your screen, and the kids can hear you listen or can listen to you speaking and watch you manipulate the screen. You'll go to File, and then I'm already in it, so it's grayed out, but it won't be grayed out for you. You'd click New Screen Recording. You can also do an audio recording, or you can use your camera and do a movie recording. I typically use the screen recording to make my videos. Once you click on that, I can't show it to you since I'm already inside of it, but you're going to get a little gray box with a red button. You'll click on the red button to start recording, and then it's going to have a prompt come right in the middle of your screen that says click here to record your full screen, or you can drag to part of your screen if you just want students to see a partial part of your screen. You will click it. I just click it so that it sees my whole screen, and then you're going to see this little guy up here. That will be grayed out, and then about 3 seconds later it's going to become black, and that means you are recording. And when you are done recording, you will click here so that you can finish up your recording. And so if I were to click here, it's going to finish my recording. And so I'm going to click this, and this will be the first video that you need to watch just to be able to make your screencast. But just so you can see, when you go here to Chrome, sorry, I'm at home on the DLD, my mind's not working. When you go here to Google Chrome, your kids would see what you're doing. If you're in a Google slide presentation, for instance, and you click present, the kids are going to see it on the screen just like you see it, and you can do different things from there. But again, this is just making the video, and so once you're all done making the video, you'll click here. And if you want to see how to upload the video to YouTube or share it with your students, you'll need to watch the secondary video.